गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट. तर आपण कालच्या पिरियडला प्रॉब्लेम घेतलेला आहे. आज आपण नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पाहू. एनर्जी ऑफ ए पार्टिकल परफॉर्मिंग ए जंप. m is a straight line. O is a main position of m. S is the distance. Consider a particle of mass small m performing linear SHM along a path n about a mean position O. Let P be a particle at distance x from mean position. We know the equation of velocity of a particle performing SHM. V is equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. V is equal to dx by dt, rate of change of velocity, rate of change of displacement with respect to time. V is equal to d by dt of x is a sin of omega t plus phi. Expression for displacement आपण पाहिलेला आहे आणि x ची व्हॅल्यू आहे x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. V is equal to a बाहेर घ्या डिफरन्शिएशन into d by dt of sin of omega t plus phi. Differentiation of sin omega t plus phi is cos omega t plus phi. Into differentiation of angle omega t plus phi is omega. V is equal to a cos of
बघून करा
omega t plus phi into omega. V is equal to a into omega cos of omega t plus phi. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. तर नेक्स्ट आपल्याला कायनेटिक एनर्जी इन एसएचएम पाहायचं आहे. कायनेटिक एनर्जी इन एसएचएम. परत आपल्याला वेलोसिटीचे इक्वेशन घ्यायचं आहे. द इक्वेशन ऑफ वेलोसिटी is given by V is equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. दोन्ही साइडचा स्क्वेअर करा. स्क्वेअरिंग बोथ साइड्स होईल. V square is equal to omega square into a square minus x square. स्क्वेअर रूट निघून जाईल. स्क्वेअर केल्यानंतर Equation number 2. कायनेटिक एनर्जीचा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहिती आहे, हाफ mv². कायनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल टू Ek is equal to half m. Substitute the value of v² from equation 2. Omega square into a square minus x square. Kinetic energy Ek is equal to half m omega square into a square minus x square. Equation number 3. परत आपल्याला घेता येईल कायनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू Ek इज इक्वल टू हाफ k into a square minus x square. Equation number 4. K is equal to k by m is equal to omega square. K is equal to m into omega square. m into omega square ला आपण k घेतलेला आहे. This is the equation of kinetic energy. Next, potential energy in a system. The restoring force acting on a particle is given by K is equal to F is equal to minus kx, where k is a force constant. Where k is a force constant. Then particle is displaced further an infinite small displacement dx against restoring force F. The work done dw during displacement is given by work done. You know, work done is equal to force into displacement. dw is equal to minus kx. dw is equal to minus into bracket, substitute the value of F is equal to minus kx into x, force. dw is equal to force into displacement. F into dx. dw is equal to F into dx. Substitute the value of F is equal to minus kx into dx. dw is equal to minus plus kx into dx. Work done dw is equal to kx dx. The total work done when particle displaced from 0 to x, then integration of 0 to x dw is equal to integration of 0 to x kx dx. Integration of dw is equal to k कॉन्स्टंट इंटिग्रेशनच्या बाहेर घ्या k इनटू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 0 टू x इनटू x dx. W is equal to वर्ग k into integration of x चा घातांक 1 आहे 1 मध्ये 1 मिसळा आणि त्याने भागाकार करा म्हणजे इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ x येईल x स्क्वेअर डिवाइडेड बाय 2 वर्ग W is equal to 1 by 2 k x square. Equation number 5. This work done is stored in the form of potential energy. Then potential energy is given by potential energy is equal to half k x square. Then total energy we have to calculate. Total energy is equal to sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Total energy EP लिहा EP is equal to total energy E is equal to EK plus EP. E is equal to EK total energy EK is half k into a square minus x square plus potential energy is half kx square. E is equal to half k ने मल्टीप्लाई करा ब्रैकेट ला half k a square minus half k x square plus half k x square. E is equal to half kx square minus half kx square plus get cancel, remaining value is half k a square. Total energy E is equal to आपल्याला माहिती आहे k is equal to m omega square, half m omega square into a square. Total energy E is equal to half into m omega is 2 pi m. So should omega is equal to 2 pi m, 2 pi m bracket square into a square. E is equal to half m square 4 pi square n square into a square. E is equal to 2 pi square m into n square a square. But you know frequency is the reciprocal of period n is equal to 1 by t. So should the n is equal to 1 by t in above equation E is equal to 2 pi square into m 1 by t bracket square into a square. E is equal to 2 pi square m 1 by t into 1 by t square into a square. E is equal to 2 pi square m a square divided by t square. This is the expression for total energy of SHM. From this equation we have write as total energy mass of a particle next total energy is directly proportional to square of amplitude and total energy is inversely proportional to square of period of SHM.